Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to the Excel lesson number 34. In this lesson, I am still going to talk about this Vlookup function, but with some advanced features. So far, we talked about two lessons on Vlookup. First, a simple Vlookup, and then we talked about how to combine two fields, or we can say several fields, and do a Vlookup. So in this lesson I am going to talk about Vlookup with if function and also having the data in two different sheets and also having multiple columns as Vlookup. We are going to use the same data. We have our invoice information in this sheet, Vlookup sheet, and under the payment details sheet we have some payment details related to those invoices. But here the difference is all the invoices not yet paid. There are three invoices paid and also there are two invoices not yet paid. So then we'll see how we can get the information to the invoice details related to the paid invoices. And not yet paid invoices we need to know as not yet paid, right? So we'll see how we can do that. First, let's try payment status equal. We have to start from if open bracket. Now we have to do our logic. What will be our logic? The logic will be under the payment details, paid cell E3 equal to open quotation paid close quotation. So this means if under the payment details paid column cell is equal to paid, then means comma, then do a Vlookup. Vlookup open brackets. Now come to the Vlookup sheet. Now combine our two fields, right? Supplier account and invoice number. Those are the two fields that we are going to combine and Vlookup with the payment details sheet, right? First, we define our logic if payment details paid column equal to paid, and then Vlookup, right? But we want to Vlookup in supplier account and the invoice number as a combination, and then comma. After putting comma, go to the payment details sheet again and start from the identifier. So we talked about this identifier in our lesson number 33, right? So until the paid column, three columns, right? Make it absolute, comma, column number 3, comma 0, and then close the Vlookup bracket, right? Now we just close the Vlookup bracket. Then else, if this logic is not true, then the answer will be open quotation not yet paid close quotation. Now close the if function bracket. Remember, we close two brackets, one for Vlookup, the other one for if, right? So that's it. Hit enter. Now you can see it's paid, and copy the formula and you can see those two invoices not yet paid, right? So let's do the same for the payment date, so you will be more familiarized with this formula. Equal if open brackets, go to the payment details, paid equal to paid, start Vlookup, open brackets, come to the Vlookup sheet, combine the supplier account field and invoice number field, comma, go to the payment details sheet, select from the identifier until the payment date, 4 columns, make it absolute, comma, column number 4, 0, close VLOOKUP brackets, and then again put comma, if false, not yet paid. Close quotation, close if function bracket, hit enter. Alright, payment value. Let's start the payment value now. Equal if, open brackets, let's define our logic. If the paid cell equal to paid, then we look up, open brackets, come to the invoice details sheet, or we can say VLOOKUP sheet, supplier account and invoice number, comma, and come to the payment details sheet, select our range from the identifier until the invoice value, make it absolute, comma, column number 2 we have the invoice value, comma, 0, and then close the VLOOKUP bracket. Else, if logic is not true, open quotation, not yet paid, close quotation, close VLOOKUP if function bracket, hit enter, and then copy the formula. Now you can see our invoice values also payment value also comes to the invoice sheet. Alright friends, this is how we can use these methodologies in a complex situation like this. Hope you enjoy the lesson, the video. Please feel free to share with others. Please share and learn, share and multiply the knowledge. Please share the post as much as possible. Thank you so much again. God bless you all.